What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you 4 ways that you can make passive income online in 2019. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So 4 ways to build passive income in 2019. Now the first one is ACX. So what's ACX? Well, this is a publishing platform where you can publish audiobooks and get them sold through Audible, Amazon, iTunes. This is just a publishing platform. Now this form of passive income is a little bit harder to set up because you need to outsource someone to write a book. You use a ghostwriter, and then you have to get a cover made, and then you want to have that book narrated so you can have it as an audiobook. So there's a lot of moving parts to this, but this is one of the best ways to start making passive income in 2019. Now me personally, I am going to be doing this within the next couple of months, so if you're interested in that, drop a comment down below letting me know. But when you've done that, you're going to be selling it on Audible, and this is where the passive money comes in, because once you've created the book, you don't have to create it again. You can put it on Audible, do a little bit of marketing, and it's on here bringing sales for years and years to come. So this is one of the best ways, and I will be doing this again. If you want to know more about this or excited from me doing it, then drop a comment down below. Now the second way, again, it's publishing, but publishing low content books. Now if you know anything about my channel, I've been talking a lot about this recently because I love this business model. So a low content book is notebooks, sketchbooks, literally books with no content. We create the interior, we create the cover, upload it to Amazon KDP. This is what this is. Then every time that book sells, Amazon's going to print that book on demand, because this is print on demand, ship it to your customer, then every month we collect royalties. So this is a great form of passive income. You can build up that library and it can bring you money for years to come. Now if you're interested in doing this, making, selling, creating low content books, then come and join the Stackers Inner Circle and learn more about it. I have a video just here which you can watch to learn how to get the right dimensions for your books. And then over here I have some interiors for you so you can get started straight away. So all you have to do is get one of these interiors, create a cover, and you can upload it and start selling books. Now the good thing about Amazon KDP is you can create an account and start selling books on the same day. So if you're interested, come and join the Stackers Inner Circle. It's completely free. The link will be down below in the description. So the third way is affiliate marketing, but using email marketing. So take no notice of this. This is just a traffic source. This is one of my old funnels that I made a while back. So let's just zoom in on this. So with affiliate marketing, as you know, or you probably know, that if you sell someone else's product, every time you sell that through your link, you make a commission. Now with email marketing, you can set up an autoresponder. That's what this is. That's just a predetermined set of emails set to go out as soon as someone signs up to your email list. So you can set up an email autoresponder for weeks and months, send the traffic, whether it's organic. In this case, this is just YouTube traffic, but this could be blog traffic, SEO traffic, paid traffic, just any form of traffic. But once you've set up your autoresponder and you have people coming through on a daily basis, all this is passive. So someone's going to sign up, they're going to go straight to your thank you page, then your sales page, then if they purchase, you make some money. But they also go on to the autoresponder, which is set up for weeks or even months. So they'll sign up, day 1, they'll get this, which is the offer. Day 2, you provide value, then you provide more value on day 3. Then day 4, you can set up another offer. So if someone goes through your email marketing sequence and buys a product a week later, that's completely passive and you making passive income. Now this can be done in any niche. You can do it in the make money online niche. You can do it in the gardening niche. You can do it in any niche that you want. You set all this up and then learn to send the traffic. And is just a great way to make passive income with affiliate marketing. Now the fourth way is by making an online course. So when you're making an online course, there's so many different platforms that you can use, but if you're just getting started out, I suggest using Udemy. So why do I say that? Well, when you're starting out, you might make a course, but you might not know how to send the traffic. Now with Udemy, this site where you can come to learn or take courses on anything that you want, this already has the traffic built in. There's so many people here each and every day wanting to learn new skills. So if you put your course on here, you don't have to send the traffic because there's the traffic already built in. So what could you build a course around? Well, if we look at the categories, you can build a course around everything. So if we look here, we got the development. So there's game development, database, software. We got business, and we got loads of stuff within business, IT, offline productivity. So we got Google, SAP, Microsoft, personal development, design, marketing, lifestyle. So if we go into lifestyle, you can do a course about gaming. Even people do Twitch courses. So you could do it about beauty and makeup, food and beverage. You could literally make a course around anything that you know. If you've got some skills or some knowledge in your head, which I'm betting you more than likely have, there's going to be people out there willing to learn from you to learn those skills or knowledge. So all you have to do is create a course and put it in front of the people on Udemy. So this is very, very passive. Yes, you do have to keep your students happy and answer questions, but once you've created that course, you can just sell it over and over again. So this is a real good form of passive income. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.